Okay, fourth grade, how's it going? Module 7, lesson 7 is where we're at today. Our objective is to solve problems involving mixed units of length. So very similar to yesterday's work, but instead of using units of liquid measurement, we're going to use units of length. We're going to be working on page 149 in your blue Learn books. So take out page 149, please. And we're going to jump right into the problem set now. Okay. Determine the following sums and differences. Show your work. So think, right, let's get it straight in our head. Sums we're adding, differences we're subtracting. A lot of information in that short sentence about what we're going to be doing. You need to keep that in mind while you're working. Let's take a look here. Number one, we have 1 foot plus 2 feet, and we're going to convert that length to yards. So you're going to need page 115, which has our distance conversion tables that we made like 2 weeks ago, week ago. Have that ready to help you. Okay, so 1 foot plus 2 feet. Obviously, that gives us 3 feet. Consult your table, page 115. 3 feet equals 1 yard. B, 3 yards and 1 foot plus 2 feet. That's 3 yards, 3 feet. That gives us 4 yards. Letter C. 1 yard minus 1 foot. So let's convert yards to feet, right? We know, again, check your table. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 3 feet minus 1 foot equals 2 feet. 8 yards minus 1 foot give us how many yards and how many feet? Okay, well, let's rewrite 8 yards as 7 yards, 3 feet. Same thing, written differently. 7 yards, 3 feet minus 1 foot is 7 yards and 2 feet. Okay. Make sure your paper looks like mine. Uh, 3 inches plus 9 inches, letter E. Add them together, and of course you're going to get 12 inches. And if you check your conversion tables on page 115, you'll see that 12 inches is equivalent to 1 foot. Letter F. 6 inches plus 9 inches is 15, obviously, inches, right? That should be the easy part. 12 inches is 1 foot. So we can take 12 inches, make it into 1 foot, and that gives us 1 foot, 3 inches left over. 1 foot minus 8 inches. If we convert our foot, show the same value in inches, we have 12 inches minus 8 inches. 12 inches minus 8 inches gives us 4 inches. Five feet minus 8 inches. Well, let's rewrite 5 feet as 4 feet, 12 inches. That makes it easy to subtract our 8 inches. 12 minus 8 is 4. So 4 feet, 12 inches minus 8 inches is 4 feet, 4 inches. Take a moment to make sure your paper looks like mine. And then we'll take a look at number 2, 2A. 2A, 5 yards, 2 feet plus 2 feet is 5 yards and 4 feet. Right? That can be written as 5 yards, 4 feet. But if you check your table, you'll see that there's only 3 feet needed to make another yard. So if we take 3 feet from our 4 feet, convert that to a yard, this equals 6 yards, 1 foot. 6 yards, 1 foot. It's a 1. B, 7 yards, 2 feet plus 2 yards, 2 feet. Let's just add and see what we get. 7 yards plus 2 yards is 9 yards. 2 feet plus 2 feet is 4 feet. So we have 9 yards, 4 feet. But again, 3 feet make a yard. So 9 yards, 4 feet can be converted to 10 yards. Careful, that's 10. 10 yards, 1 foot. 4 yards, 1 foot minus 2 feet. Okay, you can't do 1 foot minus 2 feet, can we? We need to borrow more feet from a yard. So let's take 4 yards and rewrite it as 3 yards. And it's 3 yards, 3 feet plus this foot gives us 3 yards, 4 feet minus 2 feet. 3 yards, 4 feet minus 2 feet equals 3 yards, 2 feet. 3 yards, 2 feet. Letter D. 6 yards, 1 foot minus 2 yards, 2 feet. Well, let's do the yards first. The minus 2 yards, we'll rewrite that as 4 yards, right? 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 foot minus 2 feet. So we need to convert one of these yards into 3 feet. So we'll rewrite this as 3 yards, 4 feet minus 2 feet equals 3 yards, 2 feet. Let's do these last 4 together during small groups. And let's take a look at the word problems on page 150. Matthew is 6 feet 2 inches tall. His little cousin Emma is 3 feet 6 inches tall. How much taller is Matthew than Emma? So we need to find the difference in their heights. Matthew's pretty tall at 6'2". So we're doing 6 feet 2 inches minus Emma, who is still little, 3 feet 6 inches. Let's subtract our 6 feet and our 3 feet right away. That leaves us with 3 feet 2 inches minus 6 inches. Well, we can convert a foot into 12 inches, so we have enough to subtract. So we'll rewrite this as 2 feet 14 inches, right? Because our 12 inches from a foot plus these 2 inches is 14 minus 6 inches equals 2 feet 8 inches. Written with words would be Matthew is 2 feet 8 inches taller than Emma. Okay, let's stop there. I want to save these word problems for small groups. Your exit ticket is just like we just practiced. converting from yards to feet, and from feet to inches, no, just yards and feet. Use your table, do your exit ticket now, and I will see you tomorrow.